Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel EduRay. So today we are going to begin with the exercise 2A of the chapter 2 Banking ICSE Class 10th Mathematics. In the part 2 of the video we had already completed till question number 6. So in this part 3 we are going to begin with question number 7. And if you have not watched the part 2, please do watch it. I have also made the part 1 introduction video. Do watch that also. And now let's start with question number 7. So question number 7 says, Amit deposited rupees 150 per month. Therefore, principal equals to rupees 150 for 8 months. Therefore, n equals to 8. What will be the maturity value of his deposits if rate of interest is 8%? Therefore, we have to find MV equals to question mark, and we also have to find the interest. Therefore, I equals to question mark. So let's do the sum. So what is the formula for interest? I had mentioned in the part 1 of the video, which was the introduction video. I equals to P into n plus 1 into R divided by 2 into 12 into 100, which is equals to P is 150, n is 8, n plus 1 is 9, r is 8. Therefore, divide by 2 into 12 into 100. 0, 0 cancel. 3 5s are 3 4s are 2 1s are 4s are 4 4 cancel. 5 1s are 2s are 2 1s are 4s are. Therefore, interest would be rupees 36. Now we have to calculate the maturity value. So maturity value equals to P into N plus I. What is P into N? 150 into 8. What is I? 36, rupees 36. 15 into 8 is 120, 1 more 0, so 1200. So maturity value equals to rupees 1236. So this is your final answer. MV equals to 1236. Okay. Now let's do question number 8. So question number 8 says, Mrs. Geeta deposited rupees 350 per month. Therefore, principal equals to rupees 350. Then, in a bank for 1 year and 3 months. So what is N? N equals to 1 year. So 1 year plus 3 months. So 1 year would be 12 months. So 12 plus 3 would be 15 months. Okay. Then, under the recurring deposit scheme, if the maturity value of our deposits is rupees 5,565, so they have given MV equals to rupees 5,565. So what is the formula for MV? MV equals to P into N plus interest, which is P into N plus 1 into R divided by 2 into 12 into 100. So in the question we have to find R. So R equals to question mark. So MV is 5,565, which is equals to P 350 into 15 plus 350 into 15 into N plus 1, which is 16, into R divided by 2 into 12 into 100. 0 0 cut. 3 5s are 3 4s are 4 1s are 4s are 2 1s are 2s are 2 1s are 5s are 5 and 5 cancel. So 5565 equals to 350 into 15, 5250 plus. Now it would be 35 into R. Therefore 35 R. So 5565 minus 5250, which is equals to 35 R. 513. 315 equals to 35 R. Therefore, R equals to 315 divided by 35. So, 35 ones are and 9s are. Therefore, R equals to 9%. So, this is the final answer of question number 8. Now, question number 9 and 10 are very similar because in both we have to find the time, meaning N. And the only difference is that in question number 9, we have to find the time in months, and in question number 10, we have to find the time in years. So both are similar, so we have to find time. And question number 9 is already solved in the textbook, so that is your homework question. You will try it on your own, and if you do not get, write it in the comment section. I will make a video solving it. So now let's begin with question number 10. So question number 10 says, Mr. Gulati has a recurring deposit account of rupees 300 per month. Therefore, principal equals to rupees 300. Then, if the rate of interest is 12%, R is 12%, and the maturity value of his account is rupees 8,100, and we have to find N. Therefore, N equals to question mark. So, let's write the values in the formula. MV equals to P into N plus P into N plus 1 into R divided by 2 into 12 into 100. Therefore, MV equals to rupees 8,100, which is equals to P into N. So, 300 into N. So, 300 N plus 300 into N plus 1. So, let it be like that. N into N plus 1 into R, which is 12, divided by 2 into 12 into 100. So, 12 cancelled, 2 zeros cancelled. So, here it would be 8,100 equals to 300N plus. So, here it would be 3. Now, N into N would be N square. N into N is N square. N into 1 would be plus N, because N into 1 is N. And what is it divided? Divided by 2, because 2 was remaining and here 3 is remaining. Now, we will take the LCM. Here it is 1, here it is 2. So, it would be 8,100 equals to into 2 into 2. So, here it would be 600N plus 3 into N square would be 3N square. 3 into N would be plus 3N divided by 2. Now, we will multiply 8,100 into 2 equals to 600N plus 3N square plus 3N. Now, do not multiply here in this step. Leave it as it is. 8,100 into 2 equals to 3N square plus 600N and 3N. 603N. Now, 3N square plus 603N. We will take this into subtraction. Minus 8,100 into 2 equals to 0. Now, we will multiply 3N square plus 603N minus, so 81 into 2 is 162 00 equals to 0. Now, we will take 3 common. So, 3, here it would be N square plus 2 0, because 2 3 into 2 is 6, 0 and 3 ones are 201N minus 5, because 15, then 1 2 would be 4, 5400 equals to 0. Now, 3 will go in division, so 0 divided by 3 would be 0. So, N square plus 201N minus 5400 equals to 0, because 0 divided by 3 is nothing but 0. Now, we have to take that 5400 should be in two such terms that on addition or subtraction we get 201N. So, 5400 we will factorize it. So, let's factorize 5400. 5400. 2s are 2700. Again 2, it would be 26, 13, 1350. Then again 2, 6, 675. We have done it by 2, 1350, it would be 2 into 675. Now we will factorize it by 3. So always take a least prime number. So first 2 we will take because it is the lowest. Then after 2 what comes? 3. So we have taken 3. Now 3 into 225. Now if we will see, first we will write 225 here. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8 and 8 into 3 is 24. So 24 here. So if you can see, if we will do 225 plus 225 minus 24, we will get 201N. Therefore, N square plus 225N minus 24N minus 5400 equals to 0. So, N into N plus 225 Here also n plus 225 and here minus 24 equals to 0. Therefore n minus 24 and n plus 225 equals to 0. Therefore n equals to 24 or minus 225. So years cannot be negative. Therefore we will write n equals to 24, which is not actually 24 because they have asked in years. Therefore n equals to 2 years. Therefore final answer is this. Do not leave writing 24 because here it is 24 months. Always remember this. In question they have asked in years. So see in question what they have asked, in months or in years. So the final answer is 2 years. Okay. Now let's proceed with question number 11. It is the board question and last question of the exercise. Question number 11 says, Mr. Gupta opened a recurring deposit account in a bank. He deposited rupees 2500 per month. Therefore, principal is rupees 2500 for 2 years. Therefore, n equals to 2 into 12 because we have to calculate in months, which is 24 months. 2 years is 24 months. At the time of maturity, he got rupees 67,500. Therefore MV equals to rupees 67,500 it is given. Now we will substitute the value in the formulas. Therefore MV equals to P into N plus I. Now we are not writing the formula for interest because as you can see the first question is we have to find the total interest. So whenever this type of question comes, when you are asked to find interest, do not substitute or write the formula of interest. Let I be written as I because then it will be less lengthy, because if you will substitute the formula of I, it would become more lengthier. So write like this. Now MV is 67,500. P is 2500 into 24 plus I. Let I be, therefore I equals to 67,500 minus, this will go in subtraction. So 25 into 24 is 600 and 600 and 2 zeros, so it would be 60,000. Therefore I would become 67,500 minus 60,000, meaning rupees 7,500. So as you can see, it was very short. If you would have written the formula of interest, then it would have become lengthier. So always do this. If interest is asked, first write this formula, calculate the interest and then calculate the rate of interest. Okay. Now we have I. Now we can directly put the formula I equals to P into N. Now we do not need the MV formula, maturity value. Now we will directly put the interest formula, P into N plus 1 into R divided by 2 into 12 into 100. We have got I is 7,500. Here P is 2,500, N is 24, N plus 1 is 25, R we do not know, divided by 2 into 12 into 100. 2 zeros cut, 2 into 12, 24 cut. Now it would be 7,500 divide by, because here it is in multiplication, so it will go on division. So divide by 25. Here also 25 equals to R. So do not multiply here. If you will multiply 25 into 25, it would be 625. But do not multiply because then it would become lengthier. So as we are going to divide the either way, so do not waste your time in multiplication. So 25 ones are and 300s are. Now 25 ones are and 12s are. Therefore R equals to 12%. So this is the answer. This is the part 1 and this is the part 2. You have to write in the statement the total interest earned by Mr. Gupta is rupees 7,500 and the rate of interest per annum is 12%. I am not writing the full sentence. Okay. So this was the part 3 of the chapter banking. In the part 4 we will do exercise 2B. So do subscribe to my channel EduRay so that you can receive a notification or update whenever I post the part 4 of the chapter banking. And do like the video if you have understood the concept and gained some knowledge, and do share it with your friends and family. Thank you.